Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Lady Boss Builder Jessica returning for another video. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this one panel partition or divider. Basically, this is an order from an interior designer for which she has a client, and here is her layout design. As you can see, my creation was intentionally built with thin outer frames for them to be able to install it properly into the wall. So yeah, enjoy watching this video.